Let me show you how a Bedazzled Bath & Body Works Strawberry Shortcake Lip Mask. You're going to need your lip mask. I like the strawberry shortcake flavor. You're going to need rhinestones, a rhinestone glue holder. The glue I used is Liquid Fusion, and a wax pen. Or you could use a crown too. The first thing I'm going to do is sand the item. You want it to have a dull surface. It's better for the glue and the rhinestones. And then I'm going to wipe it gently with alcohol. Next, I'm going to start off with my rhinestone in. At first, I started with a foundation line, and then I said, let me just do it section by section because it is a smaller item. The size rhinestone that I'm using is a 3M size rhinestone, and I'm using the honeycomb method, which you place one rhinestone in between every 2 rhinestones to make it look like a honeycomb. What I like about small projects like this is it takes less than 30 minutes and you don't need a bunch of different sizes or anything. This is something you could do at home. Bath & Body Works sells all different kinds of lip masks. I just love the strawberry shortcake one. And you only need 2 sizes for this project. So it's a great beginner project. The next thing I'm going to do is the body of the lip mask. I'm still using the clear rhinestone, but I'm using the 5M size rhinestone. I think it would be better for this part because it is a little bigger and I could fit more rhinestones here without it being so time consuming, because if you use the 3M rhinestones, it probably take an additional 30 minutes. But it all depends on how fast you go, or if you want to take breaks or not. I try not to take as many breaks because I want to get stuff done immediately, unless it's like a tumbler. For the most part, this took about maybe 20 minutes, if that. I honestly can't remember, but usually when I use clear rhinestones, it goes way faster. It's an easy project. I think it's beginner friendly, especially if you're doing the honeycomb method. It's good to start off small so you don't overwhelm yourself. And I'm just going to continue the honeycomb method until I get to the bottom of the lip mask. Next is the top of the lip mask. I'm going to just go in a circular motion until I get towards the middle. I believe I used maybe 2 or 3M size rhinestones to fill in that middle part. But yeah, I'm just going to go around and around. Nothing too extravagant, just to finish it off. And this is the finished product. I like how it came out. Clear rhinestones are elite, especially when you're starting out your rhinestone journey. But let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.